Can you hear something in there?
Hello, Barney.
It's the washing machine.
Hey, Barney.
You wanna look? Oh, the door's open. Check it out. Oh, there's a sideways head. Scary. Careful. What are you doing in there? You see the evil vacuum cleaner? It's usually on top of the washer, but I move it down to the floor because the washer vibrates and it'll fall off anyway. Okay, is that enough now? Pretty scary? Probably not a great sound on the video. Let's hear the. It'll at least wait until the water stopped running, Barney. Not wrecking anything, are you? There we go. Whoa, careful. Look, it's moving. Cute little foot. Can you hear his little puffing and puffing? Probably just about time to get the boot out of here, Barney. Have you seen enough? I don't know, it's pretty scary, isn't it? Maybe you're going to help with laundry today? You've missed the last few times. We haven't done a laundry video in a long time. You don't seem to be too much interested in helping. Oh, upside down head. Act like you've never heard the thing run before. You do laundry every week. Or so. Yeah, that's good enough. You've seen enough, haven't you? There. Go play with the ball. You never mind. Come on, let's go play. Go play.
Hey, Barney.
Just go play.
Hello, Barney.
One track behind, aren't you?